I almost stopped comparing these two after the first image, not because one was obviously better, but because I realized I was judging them the same way everyone else does. I generate an image, zoom in, look at the details, and think, okay, which one looks nicer? Then it hit me. When was the last time one of my clients or even a YouTube viewer zoomed into an image looking for tiny imperfections? They don't. They see the final thumbnail, the ad, the social media post, and move on. So I started paying attention to something completely different. I wanted to know which tool actually helped me get from an idea to a finished project without wasting half my day. Because that's the part nobody talks about. We spend so much time arguing over image quality that we forget we're supposed to be creating content, not running image competitions. Krea AI surprised me for one reason. It made me want to keep experimenting. I'd change one idea, then another, then another. Before long, I had several directions to choose from instead of sitting there trying to write the perfect prompt. If you're someone who creates thumbnails, ad creatives, product images, or social media posts every week, that kind of workflow is honestly refreshing. Midjourney gave me a different feeling. Instead of moving quickly, it made me slow down and chase the best possible image. Sometimes that extra effort paid off with incredible results. Other times, I caught myself spending 15 extra minutes improving details that, if I'm being honest, nobody outside my screen was ever going to notice. That's when I asked myself a question. Am I creating art, or am I trying to publish something before lunch? The answer changes everything. If your work depends on producing stunning artwork where every little detail matters, I completely understand why people stick with Midjourney. But if you're running a business, managing clients, posting on social media, or uploading YouTube videos every week, getting to a great result quickly might actually be more valuable than chasing a perfect one. So no, I don't think Krea AI replaces Midjourney. I think it solves a different problem. One rewards creators who love refining every detail. The other rewards creators who need to keep moving. Now I'm interested in your answer. If someone gave you both tools for free, which one do you honestly think you'd open more often? Comment below and tell me why. I have a feeling the answer depends more on your workflow than on the software itself.